For example, let us take x square plus x minus 3. Here degree of first term is exactly 2. You can observe degree of first term is 2 and the degree of second term is 1. Here it is 1. Okay, and the degree of third term is, that is 0. So degree of the polynomial is 2. So here the degree of the polynomial is 2. Why? Because the term with the highest power of x is 2. So the term here, in this term, x highest power is 2, right? So the degree of the polynomial is 2. Now what is a constant polynomial, guys? Alright, polynomial in which the highest exponent of the variable is 0, then it's said to be a constant polynomial. For example, you can see the constant example is 6. So first, if degree is 0, then we'll get constant. The name is constant. Okay. For example, here is 6. 6 can be written as 6 into 1. That means 6 into 1 can be replaced as x naught. So 6 is a constant because x power is 0. Okay. So the degree is 0 here. And the second term is 2x plus 1, right? So the degree is 1 and it is known as linear because we have example 2x plus 1. So where x degree is 1 and 1 degree is 0. Here x degree is 1 and 1 degree is 0. So that's the reason it is 1. Okay. In the same way, we have an example of x square plus x minus 3. So here the degree is 2 and here the degree is 1 and it is 0. So the highest degree is 2. So the degree here is 2 and it is known as, yes, quadratic. Okay. And third, the degree is 3 because x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1. So if you observe here, the x degree is 3 and the second term x degree is 2 and the third term x degree is 1 and 1 is 0. So 3, 2, 1 and 1 is 0. So what is the highest degree here? That's right, which is 3. So the degree is 3 here.